Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you determination of fat by Gerber method in Advanced Milk and Milk Products Technology Lab. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, it is used the test is used for grading or payment system. That is the objective. Advantages are relatively simple to use. Disadvantages, equipment is needed. The traditional standard reference method for fat analysis is based on either weight or volumetric determination. There are many analytical methods for the determination of the fat content of milk. The Gerber test is widely used all over the world. Principle is the test is volumetric method in which fat is separated from milk by centrifugal force. Sulfuric acid is used to dissolve the protein that forms the membrane around the fat globules, and amyl alcohol is added to improve the separation of fat from the other solids. Equipment and reagents are required. First of all, sulfuric acid, whose density is 1.807 to 1.812 grams per ml at 27 degrees Celsius, and it must be colorless. Then amyl alcohol, butyrometer 6%, 8%, and 10% scale depending upon the fat content. Stoppers and shaker stands for butyrometers made for suitable grade of rubber or plastics. 10 ml acid pipette for sulfuric acid, 10.75 ml pipette for milk, 1 ml pipette for amyl alcohol, centrifuge, electric or hand driven, water bath at 65 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Procedure is use the 10 ml acid pipette to transfer 10 ml of sulfuric acid into the butyrometer. Fill the 10.75 ml pipette with milk and deliver the sample into the butyrometer. Add 1 ml of amyl alcohol using the 1 ml pipette and close it. Shake the butyrometer in the shaker stand until no white particles are seen and invert it a few times. Put the butyrometer in the water bath for 5 minutes. Take it out and dry with a cloth. Put it in the centrifuge, placing two butyrometers diametrically opposite. Centrifuge at maximum speed for 4 minutes. Transfer the butyrometers, stoppers downwards into the water bath for 3 to 10 minutes. Bring lower end of fat column onto the main graduation mark by slightly withdrawing stopper. The color of the fat should be straw yellow. The ends of the fat column should be clear and sharply defined. The fat column should be free from specks and sediment. The water just below the fat column should be perfectly clear. The fat should be within the graduation. Note down the upper and lower scale readings corresponding to the lowest point of fat meniscus and surface of separation of fat and acid. The difference between the two readings gives the percentage of mass of fat in milk. The reading has to be done quickly before the milk cools. The butyrometer should be emptied into a special container for the very corrosive acid milk liquid, and the butyrometer should be washed in warm water and dried before the next use. Fat testing is often carried out on composite or random samples in order to reduce the time and cost involved in the testing. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. We will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.